Error 42 in League of Legends is a client-side error indicating a failure to establish or maintain a secure connection to Riot's servers during gameplay, login, or matchmaking. It's essentially a handshake failure between your game client and the server. The error manifests as a disconnection, inability to queue for matches, or login failures. Causes include network instability like high latency or packet loss, outdated game files, corrupted cache, incompatible third-party software like overlays or VPNs, or even regional server overload. Unlike other errors, Error 42 is more network-focused and usually fixable with user-side troubleshooting. Several solutions can resolve Error 42. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and wired if possible. Pro Player Faker recommends this for stability. Then use Riot's Hextech repair tool, which resolves about 85% of cases. Disable your Windows firewall temporarily to see if that's the cause. Update your Ethernet drivers. Close any potentially conflicting third-party programs. Finally, consider restarting your router and computer. If the problem persists, check League of Legends community forums or contact Riot support for assistance.